No blinking.
You win the mega, what are you gonna do? You gonna leave your tools in the truck? If you win the mega, you gonna leave the
My tools in the truck? No way. No way, those are my tools.
Yeah, that's right.
And even if I hit the mega, I'd always have a small like repair shop where I'm always working on stuff at home. Just for myself though, wouldn't fix anything for anybody else. What's the mega up to anyway right now?
It's well, if nobody won last night, then it's gonna go up to like $1 billion.
$1 billion?
Close to $1 billion.
Oh yeah, I would definitely keep my tools. Wouldn't have much time to use them, but I couldn't live without them. I smell burnt. That heat exchanger is pretty nasty. Haven't gotten that far yet, but okay. The transformer. These two. So 31 friggin' volts. He's putting out a lot of power. Thermostat's off. 31 volts between R and W. I can't make this stuff up.
Is it all wired up?
Oh yeah.
That's right.
And he rewired it, but he hooked the power to common.
Oh, there you go.
At least it won't come on, so it's not a direct short. Hey, he's a good guy. He tries.
Yeah.
He tries to do this before they call us in, so.
Well, you know, I know that game and where I am at, and we try to do, you know, but you also got to know your limits.
Yeah, well, he doesn't know his limits. He thinks he could do everything.
Well, I know it's
He's a good guy, but
He's a good guy, but, as I said,
he thinks he could do everything.
you know, I could do plumbing to a point, you know?
Yeah.
You got to know when to call the plumber. I can call myself up with electricity to a point. This is my start.
maintenance guy loves to wire everything and try to get things going here. A maintenance guy should not touch things. Now 0.
Alright, you're all set.
And unfortunately, this one's going on there.
What's that?
This one's going on there.
Oh yeah, it's a series.
It's part of my series. Where's the door though? I lost. Somewhere I lost the door.
Right behind you.
I lose everything. Now there's a smaller one. There it is. Cover the electrics. I don't need this open anymore. He didn't fry anything.
That's good.
So that's what I thought he did when he changed it live.
I was moving that thing around. That's what I was saying. Either someone mounted it wrong.
Yeah, he wasn't sending power to the thermostat, so it was making it switch.
Yeah.
What do you got?
What?
What do you got?
Oh, he had connected R to C. Yeah, he did a good one.
Is there a fuse?
No, it works. No, because there's no power, so C doesn't mean anything. A common's dead. It's like a dead terminal unless you have power going. That's the only way to get the direct short. He didn't do that, so there's no direct short. This is the next video. Yesterday was the cracked heat exchanger. This one's the bad wiring. Maintenance guys do. Everybody's laughing, but I mean, it's rolling. It's at the end though, because it works now, so I can shut it off.